hello. Hello. Mila, look, I have two puppies for you today. This Chubby Puppies and friends. Mustang Horse. This is Mustang Horse. And this is Husky with ice cream cart. Yeah. Yes, mother and the baby. Ice cream. Ice cream. Okay, puppies. Chubby. Ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. So we have a list, full list of all Chubby Puppies. No, we can do it like this without scissors. And whoppa! Pick. Here you go. Okay, cut it. Haha! The puppy can hold this ice cream in its mouth like this. You see? It's holding. What's up? Up. Now. Delicious, yes, the ice cream is delicious. Everybody likes ice cream. And here is the ice cream cart. Another ice cream. We have two ice creams here. Oh. Oh. And nice. Amazing. Yum. 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 Okay, here is the cart. You can also our puppy can push it a long way. Do it. See? And now I'm gonna open this Mustang Horse puppies. And now, oh, another one. Pull it. And here we have a small puppy. Show us what it can do. cream.
Хочет мороженое. Он голодный. Он голодный. Нет мороженое. Ну. Да, конечно. Мороженое. Вот такой. Приветствую. Спасибо большое.
And here, finally, I'm trying to get this little puppy out. Oh my God! Here is the little Mustang Horse.
Папа, малышка, пожалуйста.
So it's not a puppy, it's a Mustang Horse. Yes,
Малышка, малышка,
I didn't know that Chubby Puppies make horses.
малышка,
That they do.
малышка.
Yeah, so
Эй,
little horse. And now
мороженое.
this is Husky. We know that. It can wobble. Push it along. Oh, here it's going. Yeah, you can change its position of its legs, and it's going to go differently. Oh! Here is the horse. Oh yeah! Don't let that fall. Mustang Horse from Chubby Puppies. I didn't know that they make horses. Oh, that's wonderful. New animal with a little baby horse. Here is the baby horse, and here is ice cream cart, and this is Husky. Look how fast he's going. Now it's going slower. Going to deliver ice cream to kids, boys and girls, and all the animals, because everybody loves ice cream. So this is Chubby Puppies, Husky and Mustang Horse. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.